Good morning guys! Today magluluto tayo ng chicken. So ito yung aking recipe. So I'm going to bake my 2 chicken legs. This is the chicken legs guys that I marinated. So since I don't have an oven, I'll just use this process. There is a salt in the bottom of the frying pan and I put a foil and then I put my baking tray. Just like that, and then cover and start. First I'm going to make the heat up to 150% and then I have to turn it low down. Okay, so I marinated this with a little bit of vinegar, salt and garlic pepper, and that's it. Then gagawa tayo ng ating gravy later. Magsaing muna ako guys, I'm going to cook my rice. So this is how I cook my rice. So this is just 1 cup of rice. So we have to wash it. Just like that. So I wash it twice or thrice. So now I am going to measure my water. Spoon. My friend said before he used to cook rice 1:1, but it's alright. But for me, I add this is to 1/3, so 1 1/3 cup, the 1 cup of rice. Okay, I'll use this one. And then, hinaan lang natin ang ating apoy guys para sa ating rice ha. Okay. So this is our rice thing. So medium heat lang tayo guys para hindi masunog. So yun ang ating chicken then, medium. So ito yung gawin kong lauoy guys. Magluto ako ng sinabawang gulay. Ito yung, this is string beans or sitaw. Ito yung lemongrass at saka yung dahon ng kamote, dahon ng kangkong at saka yung ito saluyot. Ito yung moringa leaves natin guys, fresh na fresh. At ito yung ating spices with the lemongrass. So guys, gagawa tayo ng homemade gravy. This is our butter. That's our butter. Hintayin natin madissolve ang ating butter guys. Kasi gagawa tayo ng homemade gravy. Okay? So ito na siya guys. Lagyan natin ng konting honey. So ito na guys. First, na-melt natin butter guys, then ginisa natin yung flour, tapos naglagay tayo ng half beef cube, tapos naglagay tayo ng kunting honey and pepper. We'll sprinkle a little bit of salt. It's a little bit sticky, so I will add a little bit of hot water. So ang gagawin natin niya guys, kasi may buhol-buhol siya, strain natin siya. mag-strain tayo ng ating gravy. Para wala yung buhol-buhol, guys. Para so ito na yung gravy natin, guys. Yummy gravy. So guys, this is my own version of chicken. Baked chicken in the frying pan. So that's our gravy, homemade gravy. The sitaw, steamed sitaw, and the cabbages. And the tomatoes, the same. Okay. This is our lunch for today. Okay. And I've also got my vegetable soup. So thank you for watching to my channel, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe, likes, comment, and share. Have a good time. Bye. So this is cooked around 1.5 hours, guys, in the frying pan oven. Frying pan oven. I don't have an oven, so I'll just bake it in the frying pan. Okay. So this is my green leafy vegetable soup. And this is my rice. Chicken. So mga ano ta, guys, I'm too hungry. Mga unta ninyo, guys, oh, soup. My rice. Chicken. I cooked this chicken for 1.5 hours. I bake it. No frying. Yum. The cabbage now is crunchy. This is a healthy way of cooking the chicken. Just bake it. So if you don't have the oven, guys, you can use your frying pan.
I'm saying this place should so soon.
1.5 hours. 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 1.5 hours.